Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the VW Move Up. This vehicle is a 1 litre vehicle with 2 keys and 15,000 miles. Only £20 per year to tax. I will now start by showing you around the vehicle and giving you a good insight to the specification. Starting with the alloy wheels, which are 15-inch, all in great condition with great tyres. Piano black rear view mirrors with body coloured door handles and privacy glass on 3 sides. As you can see, this is a very clean little car with no marks, scratches or dents of any kind. And now if you take a quick look into the interior, we can see the specifications, starting with the height adjustable driver's seat, front electric windows, flat bottom steering wheel to allow ease of access so you don't bash your knees on the bottom of the steering wheel, 12 volt charging socket with some storage around the vehicle, as you can see, and tyre pressure monitoring system, as well as a FM radio player with SD functionality and DAB. In the rear of the vehicle we have ISOFIX points on the rear seats, and it is a 60-40 split system. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember the vehicle will come with a service and MOT if needed, as well as a complimentary valet. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288. And if you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you for watching.